How to make new Apple ID. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can make a new Apple ID, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to make a new Apple ID, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all, you can either open the settings app, and if you've not logged in your Apple ID, you can tap the sign in option to create a new Apple ID. But if you want to do it the different way, you can open up your Safari browser instead and go to iCloud.com. Then just tap the sign in option. It might most likely give me a pop-up to use a similar Apple ID from my phone, but I'm going to select use a different Apple ID here. And then as I've done that, you can see this option. Now over here you'll find this little button again that says create Apple ID. So you want to make sure to just tap the create Apple ID option here. As you tap the create Apple ID option, all you need to do is simply make sure to enter the first name of your account as well as the last name, the country of the region, as well as the date of birth that you might want to choose over here. So let me also go ahead and then choose the date of birth here as well. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and make sure to enter the email address that you want to use in this case, and then the password that you want to recreate. After you've done that, make sure to enter the phone number and then tap the continue option. What happens after this is that it is going to ask you to verify this captcha here. Once you verify the captcha over here, it will ask you to send a verification code to the email address that you provided and the phone number that you provided. And once those verification processes are complete, your Apple ID will get successfully created. And in this way, you can make a new Apple ID. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.